Welcome to the documentation for the second year of Zone 33-34's Hunger Initiative. This is a two-step process to document your meals. The first is sending the number of meals to your district meal champion or coordinator. This is the number of meals or its equivalency using the four-way test. Then you'll want to log the rest of the service project on Rotary Club Central. And to get to Rotary Club Central, you go through Rotary.org and My Rotary. You would sign in at the very top or at the red bar. If you have never signed in, you'll want to come here and register for an account. To register for an account is a two-step process. You click this button and follow the prompts, giving an email and password. And then Rotary will send you back an email with entrance into the site. In order to log on to, any Rotarian can log on to Rotary Club Central, but in order to log the service project, you have to be either the president, the foundation chair, the secretary, or the treasurer. Again, anyone can look at it, but only those four people can edit it. So let's click Sign In. Enter your email address and then your password and click the sign in button. This takes a couple of minutes, so we just have to be patient. And the top of the page says sign out with your email address. That's how you know you're in. Then I want you to come to Member Center, Rotary Club Central. Member Center, Rotary Club Central. This logs you into a separate site with your Rotary Club's dashboard page. When you first log in, it has membership trends and gender trends, but we're interested in the left-hand dark blue bar. And I want you to go to Service Activities and click Service Activities. Notice that it has my club's name on it, and it's 1920. Next year when you're doing this, you'll click to 2021 in order to log your project. But to show you how to do it, we have to start in 1920. You can either add a new service project or click on Repeat Past Service Project. If you did this same project last year, you can repeat it. It will bring up what you did last year and you can simply edit it, saving yourself lots of data entry. So I'm going to start here at Add a New Service Project. And this is the same for any service project, but what's different about our Hunger project is it must start with 10 million, no space, 10 million, and then the title of your project. Now I'm not going to complete the whole all of the boxes and all of the information. I'm just going to show you what's necessary. The next box is the project summary. Notice that you have 1,000 characters, so you can pretty well describe exactly what you did. Then scrolling down, you come to the project timeline, tell the start date and your proposed end date. And when you're finished with the project completely, you can come back and click on Project Complete and it will turn green here. So scrolling down some more, we have project metrics. Notice there are two columns. One is a projected column and one is an achievement. So when you come in here at first, you project what you think you might have. So we think we might have 250 volunteers. We would come back and put our correct achievement once we finish the project. We think the number of hours that those volunteers worked might be 1,200. Again, you come back later and do your achievement. Our cash contributions projected, and then the value of donated goods and services. Again, you're filling out what you think you're going to do, then you can come back and do your achievement. If you're doing this after the fact, simply complete both columns at the same time. Then we have one more space to go, additional project details, the category, select the category drop list, and pick what category this falls into. There is no hunger category, so you have to look at the best area, the closest one. If you choose area of focus, it gives you another box, and then you select the area of focus. And then if you had any partners, such as did your Interact Club work with you, another Rotaract Club? In our case, we work with First United Methodist Church, so I'm clicking on Other. And it does not ask you what other, just that it's other. So that's all there is to it. So the only real difference in logging our hunger project and logging any other service project is that our hunger project must have 10 million with no space and then your title. When you've completed your service project, come up to the top and save. Make sure that you come back and add your final column and your completed button. The project has been saved, and that's all there is to it. So again, to repeat what we would like you to do, you estimate the number of meals, send that to your district hunger project manager or chair, and then you come in here and log your service project. This way, Rotary International is able to look at all the people who have put in a project under the 10 million category, and they can total it for us and tell us how well we've done. Thanks for helping us feed the world and document it.